Good morning, Albert. Good morning, track fans, and welcome aboard Jose, our latest subscriber. Here we go, track 45, BMW Z4 GT3 making a reappearance comeback on the track. Track fans, let's go. First corner, Hammerhead. Hammerhead's been fixed, revived, and is back in the game. CD Mountain. Hairpin 1, R1, into Baccarat. Hairpin 2, Gambon, famous. Let's get out of here. More speed, more control. Got to be careful with this BMW on the tight corners. The R1, these ones, the R1s. He doesn't like it that much. I've even done the tyres. Top tip number 1: invest in a better set of tyres. See what happens. Maybe we could do a workshop on changing tyres and axles. Let's do that. Okay, Hammerhead, back to the race. CD corner, long tile straight. Other side of tile straight, round to Baccarat, into R2. Oh, R1! Can't even get it together today. What is going on? Okay. Last lap, guys. Last lap. Let's take it round. Steady cruise. R1 corner. Into Baccarat. Heading for Gambon. Takes Gambon well. Bending back to pole. And let's sign it off then.